went to go look for a cat bed because I'm sick of Luna sitting on the bath mats, and they didn't have anything that was like a good price at Marshall's. So TJ Maxx had nothing. Now I'm in PetSmart. I have $5 off 25, and I was like, okay. The cat beds were $20 in Marshall's, not marked down from anything, so at least I'll get them a nicer bed if I get it out of PetSmart. So I'm gonna do that, and then someone just recognized me from Instagram. They're like, I follow you on Instagram. I'm like, I feel like trash. So yeah, so let me go find a cat bed out of here and see what we can find. I found a dog bed that Luna can probably also fit. So, and Momo of course will fit it. So it's a little bit smaller, so I'm hoping Momo uses that one, but in any case, both cats can fit it. So now I'm gonna go to Target and get these storage bins, go home, be sick, and finish packing. Guess which one's the new one? And they're not using either one of them right now, so great investment. That is the new one. I think Luna's trying to figure it out. Oh, get in there, please, please, please. Nope, cool. All right, well, at least she fits. That was my, okay. It's Wednesday. Hi, guys. The Salvation Army just came, and I had all of 30 seconds to put a bra on and put some clothes on. But they have taken the things. The apartment is looking cleaner and cleaner, and the cats are screaming at me because it is 9 o'clock. I think I'm sleeping off this cold. So yeah, it is 9 o'clock. We're getting there. We're getting somewhere. I think it looks so much better now. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I really struggled last night to go to sleep and to just emotionally be okay. I ended up binge eating. I'll be within my points, but like, I still know that I'm doing it. And it's not your food. I still know that I'm doing it, and that's the part that's like real shitty. So yeah. I also need to separate the cats while they eat and drink some water. I am 3 days worth of dehydrated. Now, I'm debating going to Starbucks or like the cafe I go to. I'm just going to Starbucks today. I am so dehydrated. I can feel it. I haven't been this dehydrated in a very, very long time. Got some vitamin C with me and my cold medicine. So I'm going to get a croissant and I'm going to get some water and put this in there, and yeah, and it's just so sick, you guys. All right, got some Hawaiian barbecue chicken pizzas, however you say that, watermelon, chicken, salmon, and eggs. And that is your weekly Whole Foods haul. Woke up after taking like 3 consecutive naps. I can count 3 consecutive naps. 8, probably more than I should have. Canceled my spin classes, so I'm killing it right now. But I am packing and I am craving a pumpkin spice coffee, so I'm gonna go take care of that. In the meantime, I am like just almost done with my beauty stuff. And I'm gonna throw away some stuff I don't like, which always like irritates people because they're like, it's all good, like why aren't you donating it? And I'm like, first of all, I only throw away expired stuff. Bad. This stuff is also really horrible and I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. So it's not because I'm an ungrateful asshole, like I'm just not gonna give away bad stuff. So yeah, so let me show you guys. You've been warned. So a lot of these are like several years old, like the Tom Ford, the Burberry, the Butter. The Sally Hansen's are new, but they don't last. And then these Extreme Nails ones are old, and I just like didn't use them and got them on clearance. So I'm gonna bin all of those. This is now empty, and then if you can see it right there, those stacked on top of each other is my makeup, and then the rest that I have is just sitting out here, so I will just tape those up, put the perfume. Actually, I might be able to put those straight in boxes. I don't know. I'll figure this out. I'm less concerned about all of this. Oh, I'm turning around the wrong way, but look at all the mess in my apartment. My mom's gonna be here in 2 minutes to help me start moving tomorrow. But look at these little nuggets. They're sharing. She said 2 minutes. It's 4 in the morning on Thursday. My mother is used to this, so me being up this early is not shocking. Little Momo is licking my feet. Hi, Momo. Hi, sweetie. Looney Tony does not care about any of this. I just yawned in your faces. Still sick, still moving. Some things have not changed. It's nice having my mom here, but also I have my headphones. I'm gonna try and I uploaded 8 videos yesterday, so I'm gonna what are the words? I'm gonna do the thumbnails and everything like that, and then post on Instagram a couple of times. I don't care about Instagram anymore, and it shows. So I'm trying to re-care about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get all that done, and then I'll start checking some things off on my other list, and put my glasses on so I protect my eyes. Alright, let's get today started. I am moving some stuff today, so I might end the vlog early, or I might include some of this in this vlog, but I want to do a special moving vlog, so I'm gonna edit this and see how long it is. I'm just out here touching some cat butts. Look at this little baby. My mother is obsessed with my cats. Like, obsessed. She loves little Momo Jasper. Jasper Momo. I originally dreamed about the name Momo, but then I found out he was a demonic internet name, and then I called him Jasper. Now I kind of want to call him Flapjack. Oh, I don't know. His name's gonna change. I just also call him Luna. I call him whatever. Like it doesn't matter. Comment down below if you're like, it doesn't really matter what you call your pet, or if you're like, no, my pet's name is Catherine, and you must address her by that every single time. I would love to know. All right, let me go ahead and brew this coffee quietly. If I yawn one more time, y'all get a free gift. Hold me to it. So definitely gonna end the vlog here. I think I want to do a just like vlog 10 and maybe 11, depending on the length of the footage. I want to do a separate vlog. So thanks for checking this out. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? You're at least checking out some new of my content, like different style, and I really appreciate that. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the notification bell if you'd like to see the weird times that I post at. I'm not super into like being Instagram or YouTube famous, so I just post when I want to. Oh, the algorithms. So anyways, yeah, it lets me know that you like this type of content. It's totally new for me, but it is working well, so I appreciate the support on that. And I will talk to you guys later in another video or another vlog.